Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how can we fix your Xumo box which keeps blinking. So here's a guide for your status light meaning and how to recover it. Fix 1. Resolve low power failure. Blinking red or white. If the light flashes rapidly or turns red, the hardware is not receiving enough electrical voltage to start up. Disconnect the power cable from your TV's built-in USB port. TV USB ports rarely output the required 5 volts or 2 ampere power profile needed by the Xumo box. Inspect your charging cable and wall tube to ensure you are using the official Xumo branded power adapter. Plug the adapter directly into a wall socket or a trusted surge protector to guarantee a stable electrical current. Fix 2. Re-establish the internet connection. This is for slow blinking white. A slow, steady pulsing white light indicates that the Xumo box has lost its network path to the streaming servers. Walk over to your internet modem or router and verify that your home Wi-Fi is actively broadcasting. If you recently changed your Wi-Fi name or password, the box will pulse until you connect. So plug an Ethernet cable directly into the back of the Xumo box to temporarily restore a connection and access the settings. Once the on-screen menu loads, go to Settings, select Network to update your wireless network credentials. Fix 3. Fix an HDMI resolution misalignment. Sometimes the box is actually turned on, but an incompatible video handshake causes it to blink while trying to sync with your TV. Unplug the HDMI cables from both the Zomo Stream box and the back of your television. Inspect the port pins for dust, then firmly plug the cable into a different HDMI port on your TV, such as HDMI 2 or HDMI 3. Use your television's original remote control to manually switch the screen input source to match the new port number. Fix 4. Force a hardware recovery reset. If the light continues to blink endlessly, the box internal firmware has likely logged up mid-update. Locate the small physical reset button on the bottom or back of your Xumo Stream box. Straighten out a paperclip or find the thumb tag. Press and hold the reset button down firmly for exactly 10 to 15 seconds while the box is plugged into power. Release the button, the light should stop blinking and turn solid as the device wipes its cache and boots up the factory recovery screen. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.